All right, welcome back, everybody. Hey, for everybody watching along at home, I did get up to the 100 subscribers.
Let's go.
I'm gonna start doing a vlog for my 100 subscriber special. I'm gonna do like day in the life of Mr. Laverick for a couple days. Yeah, I will. I'll just like when I wake up. And I'll start tomorrow. I'll start 5K Friday tomorrow. Okay, deal. All right. So
Did you raise my picture?
yes, 100% I did. So let's get started here. Again, this is a video going over the 5-1 to 5-5 practice test. I'm sorry, the copy that I have scanned in, I think at about problem number 6, it gets off because I took out problem number 6 a while ago. So I'll try to make note of that as we go along, but so sorry if you're trying to follow along. All right, who had number 1? Brendan had number 1? Okay, Brendan, is graph A linear?
No.
Is it a function though?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a yes function, no, not linear, right? Good. Graph B, is that a function?
Yes.
Yes, but is it linear?
No. Or yes.
Yes, it is. So this is a yes, yes. Graph C, graph C, is that a function?
No.
Good, that is not a function, but is it linear?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Number 2, who had number 2? Good. So is that linear?
Yes.
Yes, it is linear. Now, for the explanation, I would say, now what did your x's change by?
2.
Good. I'm going up 2 for each of my x's. How much did your y's change?
4.
Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. That is enough explanation. If you wanted to put it as a table, I would suggest doing that because there's not enough room to do that. I'm not going to. But that is enough explanation to show that the change in x is constant, the change in y is constant as well. So therefore, it would be linear. Okay. Number 3. Who had number 3?
I did.
So is that one linear?
No.
No. Why don't you show the rest of the class? I know the people at home can't see it, but good. It is not, because even though the x values go up by a constant amount, the y values go up by 6, up by 7, up by 5. So there's no pattern in the y values. So therefore, this is not linear. Not linear. Not linear. All right. Now for 4, who had 4? Good. Morgan had 4. She said that yes, this is linear. B was no. And C is actually a yes. And here's why. You can have a number in the denominator. You just can't have a variable in the denominator. Okay? You can't have a number in the denominator. Or sorry, excuse me. You can't have a variable in the denominator. You can have a number in the denominator. All right, I am going to do number 5. Okay, I'm going to do number 5 here, right? Nobody had to do 5, correct? Let's skip over that one. All right, so number 5. Tell whether each equation is linear. If so, write it in standard form. Remember, standard form is that ax plus by equals c. Again, you guys should be going through and correcting your practice tests so that you have something to study from tonight. All right, so now I want to get x, y, then the constant. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So that's going to give me 2x minus 5y is 6. So yes, it is linear. And then A is 2, B is negative 5, and C is 6. Now, part B. Okay, this is a weird one. I get it. This is weird. But it is linear. So we subtract x over to the left side to get x and y both on the left side. I'm going to get negative x plus y equals 0. Negative x plus y equals 0. I know it's weird. It's got a 0 in there. A is negative 1. B is 1. C is 0. Again, you should be correcting your work. Making sure you got these all right. Making sure you put all answers down. Is C linear? What makes it not linear?
X is
Good. The x squareds and the y squareds make it not linear. Now, this is always funny. I always get people, see, I get whether you truly understand these problems. If you end up, I guess I figure out who really doesn't understand it. Because if you try to put A, B, and C values for C, can I have A, B, and C values for something that's not linear? No. See, I have to put the blanks there, or else that kind of implies that it's, that it is linear, it's not linear, if I don't put them there. So the blanks will be there, but you just don't fill them out if it's not linear. We all right over there? All right, let's keep it going there. Okay, again, we did not have to do this one on my screen here. So now this turns into 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 11. So who had 6? Who had 6? Peyton had 6, good. We get -8, 0, and 0, 4. Good, -8, 0, and 0, 4. I think do I have the graph there? Oh yeah, so this is 6, right? So good. Peyton said -8, 0, and then 0, 4. Now to graph that, just showing the folks at home, Peyton did a good job graphing that. It looks like that. Right, that's what yours is, right? Yeah. Guys, take a look. People, look at your graphs right now. Check a couple things. Did you put arrows on the end? Well, first off, I think, do you see a line? Yes, do you see a line on your graph? You're on the wrong page. You were on the right page. I don't see a line. For number 6, Chance, you have to graph the line. There are so many people out there that do this. They're like, oh, here's -8, 4, and they just put a dot. And it's like, oh, come on now. The intercepts are not a dot. The intercepts give you a line. Okay, you can't combine them. So check to see. First off, you have a line. Did you just connect your dots or did you go through them? Because you should go through them and then put arrows on the end. Okay. Who had number 7? Who had number 7? Mr. Bader back there. He had 6, 0, and 0, 8. That is a correct answer. 6, 0, and 0, 8. You plug 0 in for y, you get -4. X is equal to -24. Divide by -4, you get x equals 6. You plug 0 in for x, you get -3. Y is equal to -24. So y is 8. Again, 6, 0, 0, 8. Go through, arrows on the end. I'm forewarning you right now, if you don't draw arrows on your graph, I will take off points. Is that clear? Thank you. All right, let's keep it going. Who has number 8? Who has number 8? Oh, and thank you. Owen, you had for your intercept -4, 0, and 0, 12. Now, I want to show the work for this one up on the screen because it's a little difficult. I need to do standard form here, right? So I need to subtract the 3x from both sides. So this gets us -3x plus y is 12. Hi, Addie.
Hello.
All right. So -3x plus y is equal to 12. So you say -3x equals 12. So x is -4. And then you just have y is 12. -4, 0, 0, 12. Yeah. All right, questions about that one? Yes.
I did the wrong one. You said 9, so I thought you meant like this. So look. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my, no you did not.
9.
No you did not. You really did that?
Look at my thing.
No, I wanted you to do problem number 9. Okay, let's go through this one then. Hey people, there's the equation for number 9. I'll just do it on the board. Don't worry, I got it. Don't worry. I'll take care. Don't worry, I got it. Don't worry, I got it. I'll take care of it. I know that's a big.
Literally,
That's a rich.
that did not make sense. 'Cause look,
Oh, and did that make sense that I told you to do number 9 and I'm gonna do,
I
number
I
9?
pointed to this one and you go, yeah, that one. What do you, like, you could have said, yeah,
you could have been like, hey, is it this one?
I said this
And I
one.
said, sure.
I said this one.
Holy chicken nuggets, man. All right, so here's my equation. It gives you the, quiet. It gives you the equation, right? So all I'm gonna do is do that same process where I plug 0 in for y. I say 2.4x is equal to 48, and I divide by 2.4. So x is gonna be 48 divided by 2.4, which is 20. And then we have 1.6y is equal to 48. Divide by 1.6. You get y is equal to, spoiler alert, 30. 20 comma 0, 0 comma 30. Now, everybody watch me real quick. I need everybody eyes up here. Here's the things that I'm going to have to take off for tomorrow. Label your axis. Jackets. Look at your graphs right now. Did you label? Because if you didn't label, I would take a point off for that. Another thing, show, if I don't give you, like if I give you a graph that looks like this, show your intervals, right? Maybe if we're going by fives, I don't know. Maybe I'll go here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, well that means this intercept is at 20. This intercept is at 30. Do I put arrows on the end? No. I would take off for that if you did that. Don't go through. Okay? Questions about that? Can't have negative values of these things. Now, again, I can't stress it enough. You should be writing down the correct answers as we go. You're making yourself a key. Okay? I should be able to recollect all of your practice tests, and you should all be getting 100% on that. All right. Number 10. Who had number 10? Drew did, that looks like. 10. I got 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. That one was easy. You just had to identify the intercepts. Okay, let me just jump back here. Number 10. This is number 10 here. 10 comma 0 and then 0 comma 5. Good. Number 11, the slope. Good, I had, we got to count. Just count it. 2, 3. Wait a second. I've got a different graph on there.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's not the right graph. What'd you guys get for your slope? Oh, it is still 2/3. Oh. You must have just miscounted. Oh, did you get 4, 6? Then you didn't reduce down to 2/3. Yeah, you must have just counted. Oh, you went up to there. There's your dot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just miscounted.
I just miscounted.
But again, it should have been 2/3. Quiet, please. Quiet, please. Again, I am recording. Everything you say is recorded. Number 12. Number 12. Who's got number 12? Haley, what did you, hold that up. Hold it up. 0. There, hold it up. 0. Slow. Hi, Gavin. Okay. Number 13. Who had number 13? Over there. Good. The slope is negative 14/13. Good. Negative 14/13. Again, that does not look like this, I don't think. But the slope should be negative 14/13. If you didn't get that one right, you probably just didn't count correctly. Number 14. Dane had undefined. Undefined, that's good. Again, this was 14. So this is 15, 16, 17. Okay, did anybody have 15? I think this is where I have to start doing these. Let me screen capture it in here. Go to the new page. The phone.
Lever control.
Mr. Castanizer, how are you doing today?
Good about that.
Is that where that is? I couldn't find my water bottle.
I think so.
No, are you serious? It is? That's where I left that thing? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I see it. All right, so for 15, here, find the slope of the line. What am I going to use? What am I going to use?
Why should I?
The slope formula.
Why should I?
Okay, so we'd say -2 minus 10 over 6 minus a -10. So I get -12 over 16. Can I leave -12 over 16?
No.
No. Divide top and bottom by 4, -3/4. Same thing for 16. You have 0 minus 4 over 7 minus a -6. -4/13 is my slope. Check your answers, folks. Again, you should be making yourself a key. Number 17. This is a tricky one. I have 4 minus a -3 over 5 minus 5. What's my slope? Undefined. Thank you. What's 7 divided by 0?
0.
Not 7.
Wait, it's not. Oh, it's error.
It's undefined. It's not 0. It is undefined.
But what if it's 0 divided by 7?
Because if it was 0 divided by 7, then it would be 0.
Okay, is it louder?
Question.
Yeah.
You go ahead.
Yeah, so when you do that thing, the slope thing.
Yep, the slope formula.
With the coordinates thing, what do you subtract? Because I keep getting these wrong.
You take y2 minus y1, y minus y, divided by x minus x.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Rick. I would take off a point for that.
Wow.
You're Shrek, bro.
No, that's not slope. 7 over 0 is not slope. The slope is undefined. Well, it's not slope. If I say 7 over 0, that's not slope. The slope is undefined. Because if I picked any other point,
No, it's 0 divided by 7.
if I picked any other point, you could say 10 divided by 0. But that's not the same as 7 divided by 0, so it's not the same. Bro. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so for 18, Tara, she needs to get her life together, man.
Dang.
Her slope is 4 minus 12. And that's 400 over -8, so -$50. -$50 per week. She's going down $50 per week. That's what it means. Come on, Tara. Okay, 19. I want to go through 19. Because in my opinion, 19 may be one of the harder ones on the test tomorrow. And here's why. Because it's a lot of steps. Okay? Now, for those of you who know how to find intercept and find slope, you're like, this is probably a mistake. So let's first start by finding the intercept. Is this in standard form?
Yes.
So I'm good there. So I have x minus 3y is equal to -6. So I plug in 0 for y, I get x is equal to -6. I plug in 0 for x, I get -3y is equal to -6. So I have -6 comma 0. So 0 comma 2. I find the intercept so that I have something to plug into the equation. The slope formula. 2 minus 0 over 0 minus a -6 gets us a 2 over 6, which is a 1/3. And that's my answer for number 19. Guys, quiet down, please. Come on. Stop. I don't want to have to quiet. Look, I got 4 minutes to go over the rest of the problem. Stop making me yell at you. Drew, stop talking. Comment on everything.
It was a good problem. You did a good job.
Right, thank you. Number 20, is that a direct variation? No. Do I need you to tell you to leave the room? No, this is not a direct variation because I see addition and subtraction. Right? Number 22. Remember, this is the one where I add this row on. So I have 20 divided by negative 10 is a negative 2. 18 divided by negative 9 is a negative 2. Negative 2 over 1 is a negative 2. So this would be a yes because the k is negative 2.
Is that 21?
Yes. Number 22. Now this one looks like it might be a direct variation because I get negative 7 and negative 7, but the last box is a negative 3. So it's not a direct variation. Then the last one on here is number 23. So this is one of those ones where I say k, equation, answer. My k value again is always y over x. So that means it's 27 over 18. Now, look at your papers. Did you say 1.5? Because if you said 1.5, I would take off points. What should I write?
3 over 2.
3 over 2. Thank you. So that means it's y is equal to 3 over 2x. Then when I plug that in, Taylor, what'd you get for your answer? Why isn't your paper out, Taylor? What are you doing? I've seen you just sitting there rolling your eyes at me the past like 10 minutes. What's your answer? Thank you. Questions about that one? You guys got me heated today. Come on, people.
He's going to pay.
No, I'm hyped up today. All right.
Sorry.
It's
Hey, we'll pay you back for the month.
Just 300.
We'll pay you back.